Hagajing persang manwer yaki samla nalor kinong Shillong ban Rung siya kaseng Congress, ka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC, hakasitarik unok pra arja arpusan kalapli Paidbah yakarensan Meghalaya Talent Hunt arja arpusan. Habakran Sekilat Pathay Kubor u Anthony Matthew, Joint Secretary ka All India Congress Committee in charge Meghalaya ulaong, bayakani ka talent hunt, lapli hakaleng ka jilla knang baki samla, nalor kiwe pat ki bakwa ban pensngau yaki mat ki jura, hakabe day bat ki kam san perthay, kila ban apply laka long hakakam kum kinong ay kitien ni kiwe pat. Nalor kata ulaong ru bagajingwan ra yakani ka talent hunt kan penslor yaki samla ki banang bastat ban pen I yalki sam Lyngba ka Congress ka badai ka party ka barem tam hakari India. Hakani ka jikpentem nalor uba Vincent H. Pala u President MPCC playadon lang ka onika merotra nodal coordinator lem kiwe pan.
The National Talent Hunt was launched by the Congress Party with the guidance from our President Sri Mallikarjun Kharge and our Leader of Opposition Sri Rahul Gandhi, along with the communications team of Sri Jalan Ramesh and Pawan Khera, that it was important for us to attract the youth as well as the educated people into the party, where we understand with the new age politics communication is a key. And this is an invitation for all the people who love a secular India, who believe in this constitution of India, who believe in the ideology of the Congress, to come and participate with us. They have a brilliant space with us to showcase their articulation skills as spokespersons, their research skills as a research coordinator, and their PR skills as a media coordinator. And we would like to see this message going across the states, across the country, through all the states. That's why we are here, and we see, especially in the state of Meghalaya, there's a lot of interest in the Congress Party right now, and we would like to see how this is being received, and we use this opportunity to announce this opportunity to all the educated, experienced, intellectual and other experienced minds of people in the state of Meghalaya to come and be with us, participate with us, join us, and enjoy the beauty of one of the biggest and the oldest party of India, which has got the freedom of this country and which has developed the country to this level. And that's what it is like.
As pointed out, it's going to be the game changer, it seems. And yes, people are interested, people want to voice their opinion. Looking at the present scenario of the country as to how one government is trying to dismantle the constitution, you name it and everything, and they're trying to change things as per their convenience. And we did hear people wanted to join Congress, wanted to speak about it, so we felt what good platform better than allowing them to come and raise their voice, where there's transparency and accountability, where there's where anybody can come up and apply for it and then be the voice of the Congress. Obviously there's going to be a time frame for that. The time frames have been defined as to when will be the launch and how we are going to send across the Google Forms, how will we reach, how does it reach to every corner of Meghalaya, and we want maximum participation in it. Yes, the criteria have been laid, and the thought behind is the selection criteria would be like commitment to Congress values and ideology, clear thinking, quick response, strong control over language, communication, their political awareness, proper knowledge of history. These are the broadly parameters where we are going to assess people who want to voice their opinion and be a part of the Congress party. The dates, as pointed out, as finalized by all of us here, with the help of the President. 1st December today we are launching and starting the application. It will be shortly all over in Facebook, Twitter or Instagram, everywhere. The Congress Party and its members will try to spread the word so that everybody is able to participate in it. Nobody is left out. And the last date for the application will be 10th of December. And 11th of December, we'll be doing the screening of the application. We'll shortlist as to who is applicable and who has that ability. A little broad-based scrutiny will be done, and by the 15th, and on the 15th, the state-level physical interview and group discussions will be held to give the final analysis as to who has been, selected as a part of this national talent hunt. It is done all over the country, nationwide, every state. It's done in 2 phases. The first phase we've done in Assam, we're doing in Meghalaya and other cities and other places. And I'm very confident there's going to be a lot of people who come forward to raise their voice, as the country, as I said, is reeling under a lot of issues, be it unemployment, price rise, to changing of the constitution, or disturbing in terms of diversional politics as being done by the Modi government, and we need to raise the voice against it. And I'm grateful that the President has given us this opportunity and called the media. I look forward and appeal to you too, that you being the voice of the country, you being the main leaders, to show the right path without any tilt towards anybody. We expect the media to, whatever the meeting you've done today, to spread it as much as you can and be a part of this campaign to bring about a change.
The purpose of National Talent Hunt in Meghalaya, because we want to bring some people from Meghalaya who are interested to join us at the international level. So I have a special request that we will not take other issues, because otherwise it will dilute the intention of the program today.
We are launching it all over the country, in every state, and wherein we want all the states to participate in this. And as we showed the poster, there is a barcode here. The moment you click on that, a form comes out, the Google form. There are a number of questions in it, and when you fill the question, it will come to the committee, and from there we will see who all are filled and what is the background of the person. That's how the first process begins.
It's a simple Google form actually.
Northeast is always an important region for the Congress Party. And if at all you look at the history of Meghalaya, it is the Congress Party which gave the statehood. It is the Congress Party which gave the foundation for the state of Meghalaya. It is the Congress Party which built the entire initial infrastructures for the state of Meghalaya, and it is important for the Congress Party to have the voice of Meghalaya having its representation at a national level. We have so many educated people here, and it is important for us to now showcase it, because you look at NPP being affiliated to the BJP is being sidelined at every nook and corner, and if at all they want to do anything, they are not allowed by the BJP to showcase the voice of Meghalaya. So it is for the Congress Party to highlight the voice of Meghalaya by highlighting the talents of Meghalaya, and that is why the exercise has been launched in the state of Meghalaya. The way in which BJP has been projecting is India got freedom only after 2014, and a lot of the media were falling to that song also, whereas the country was built painfully, brick by brick. Everything from 1947 or before by the Congress Party. Nobody realized that. Now, again, the Congress Party is taking the first step to take the voices of the people of the Northeast, and now from the state of Meghalaya. We are launching it in the state of Manipur. It's already there in Assam. Tripura, it's getting launched, and after the Christmas, it will be launched in the other states of Northeast also. So, it re-emphasizes the importance and the significance which is given by the Congress Party to the Northeast side of India.
Habatin, Paidbah ki kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut ped ya kashab plus F hakajingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat akabatau bha. Kam kata ikadur jengki marbam kajing mat lani karukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Kadon ka we kajing mentoy bakongsan. Kakot kakia. Ka nutrition bakambha kajing im bakambha pendon kam daki marba medon ka sharp plus F mentakasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lyngba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.